If you guys are trigger shy and you're failing on your entries of your trades and you're a little bit nervous about pulling that trigger, the secret's in this video, so stay tuned. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned. I wanted to make this video to see if anyone else out there was suffering or has been or is now suffering of a sickness called trigger shy. This to me is the worst sickness a professional day trader can have, and it's happened to me when I first started day trading, and it went on for a good few months and it was very difficult to get rid of. And it's only dawned on me now, I should make a video on this because I'm sure I'm not the only one out there who has suffered of severe trigger shy. Now, the symptoms can include missing out on an entry and an exit on your trade, especially the entry. So example, if you're trigger shy and you're seeing a perfect pattern and you're getting in at the break of $2 and everything's perfect, your trigger shy means you won't pull the trigger and you'll miss out on your opportunity, or else you'll pull the trigger too late, maybe at 220, because you just got impatient and you missed your entry, you're trigger shy, and then you jumped in and now your trade's fucked. So, and it is a real issue in my opinion, and it's affected me and it's cost me quite a lot of money, and I'm sure it has been the same for a lot of other people. So I kind of came up with a tactic of how to kind of get over this trigger shy, and it's really worked. So I wanted to kind of pass my knowledge on to you guys of how it can maybe help you. One of the tactics I use, which is really common, if you say, it'll still happen to me even now, if I take number of red trades in a row, maybe and end the week on red, the Monday will probably be a little bit trigger shy, but it's soon gone. But if you are struggling with being trigger shy, the tactics I've kind of come up with is, I want to build your confidence up if you are trigger shy. So what this means is, I want you to set a plan in action of your exact trade. Then I want you to set a stop limit buy of your entry. So what this means is, if the stock is trading at $1.90, for example, and instead of leaving it down to your instinct to trust itself to buy the stock at $2 when it hits it, you won't buy it if you're trigger shy. You just leave it. So one of the things to get over it is start using stop limit buys. So set your stop limit buy for the break of 201, set it, and then you can't do anything about it. It's set and the system will pull you in automatically when it hits the price. So that will help you massively, is preset your buys, and that should help you get over your trigger shy. Another tactic I like to use is keep your gains very small if you are suffering with trigger shyness. Because what this is, we're just trying to build up your confidence in the fact that you're setting your stop limits, you're seeing your trade, you're in and you're out. So set it for a 5 or 10 cent profit target. That's it, very small. Get in and get out. I don't care if the stock runs another $1. I just want you to get your confidence built up again, to get a lot of green trades under your belt, and then the fever of trigger shyness will kind of get flushed out of your system. You'll be more confident in your trades, and then eventually you won't need to be using your stop limit buys, because you'll be confident enough just to execute the limit buy when it hits you, or buy on the bid, or however else you may choose to do it. So that really helped me, guys, and I think it will help you. So just kind of give you a recap. If you're struggling with it, start using stop limit buys and keep your price targets to a 5 and 10 cent profit target. Get in, get out, do that rinse and repeat. And surely after a few days of doing this, your greens will come up and you'll surely get over being trigger shy. I really hope this video helped you guys, so God bless.